What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? I can. What going on now? Alright y'all, we checking in. Third video. I know y'all been wanting to see this. We finna do the collab. The reps, push-ups, and the bench for money challenge. I know y'all want to see this. So today, Sabrina going in, man. We're gonna see what she can do, what she can get in. Like I said, I gotta kind of guess at her weight and all of that, what she can do, cause she pretty strong. She been lifting a good bit of time, man. So you know, you can't go too light, but then you don't want to go too heavy either. So we got to make the video interesting and all of that. So y'all know we at the gym, we about to get it in. Y'all just stay tuned in. Hope y'all been enjoying the collabs, all the action and all of that stuff. Y'all know we still in the cutlets for today and all of that. So yeah, she getting everything. She getting ready. We're gonna go in here and then get it in a little bit, and then we're gonna check back in. All right, so we in the gym now, as y'all can see. Obviously, I be getting it in here too sometime, and all of that. So we finna put the camera on the star of the show today, Sabrina. So, and her Instagram on the screen. Y'all make sure to follow her Instagram. Keep it respectful. All of that. We talked about that earlier, but I guess we'll talk about it in this vlog later on. Yes. So, we decided already on push-ups. Y'all know push-ups and bench is part of the challenge off top. Like, it's push-ups and bench is mandatory. Her third exercise, we said leg press, cause she's serious with the legs and everything. She's stronger in the legs and arms and stuff, so we're gonna do leg press. So out of the three, which one you plan on doing first?
We're gonna do push-ups first.
Push-ups.
We're gonna warm things up.
Push up, then what you doing next? Leg press or bench?
We'll do leg press.
Leg press next. So you're gonna say bench for last. Okay.
Yes.
Now I'm gonna ask her this. I want y'all to comment below too. But how many push-ups you think you gonna get?
20, 25.
20, 25. Alright, so I'm gonna do her just like I did wifey. I'm gonna do $2 a push-up. So $2 a rep. So every push-up she do, she get $2. And y'all know we're not playing. We already took it out, same amount that I took out wifey. So $2 a rep. For every rep you do, you get $2, and then we're gonna y'all keep tally in the comment. We're gonna keep tally how many she do and everything as she go along. And y'all guess, I want y'all to guess. Well, when I price the third exercise, the bench, then I want y'all to drop y'all guess how much y'all think she gonna earn. So we about to put the camera down and get to it. All right, now. We rolling, she getting ready, getting together and all of that. So look, when you start, the rules are you could not stop.
Okay.
You could not stop. Like these non-stop push-ups. So like back-to-back reps, knocking it out.
Okay.
So y'all comment below how many y'all think she gonna get, and you can just roll whenever you ready.
All right. Let's go.
Alright, so she just wrapped up. Y'all saw I had put music over because it's kind of loud in there, but 25 push-ups. 25, y'all. 25. So how many you said you thought you was gonna do? 20?
20, yeah.
So she did more than what she was thinking, so she had $50.
Have a little bit of motivation. Y'all
50.
motivated me.
$50. That's what's up. 25. So she off to a good start.
Yes.
She off to a good
I'm
start.
about to die now.
Though when the last time you did push-ups?
That many? I don't know. It's been at least 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
3-4 weeks maybe.
Hey, she doing good, y'all. Hey, y'all drop some love in the comments. She doing good. 25 push-ups. So now she gonna take a little rest. And then you say we hit leg press next.
Leg press.
All right, leg press next. Now, how much? What's the most you ever leg press? I gotta ask them this. I gotta be fair, y'all.
So I've done 7 plates on each side is the most.
7 plates. That's crazy.
Yeah.
So there's five on each side. I'm trying to do the math for y'all real quick. 5 on each side is 450. You don't count the sleigh. 6 on each side is 540. 7 is 630. 630 pounds.
Yeah.
So how many times you
Maybe
do that?
like 5 to 6 reps.
5 to 6 reps. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So with leg press, 630, 5 to 6 reps. We gonna say 400.
Okay.
400.
Let's do it.
400 pounds, y'all. We're gonna 400 pounds. Let me see. We're gonna step it up. We're gonna go $3 a rep.
Okay.
$3 a rep, 400 pounds.
All right.
We're gonna see what it do. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. All right, y'all. So we take it in. I didn't talk over there on it called the music blasting in there and stuff. We'll get a copyright. But she just did 10 reps at 450 pounds, man. I told y'all she was strong. Like, she ain't no joke. She did 10 reps at 450. So I said $3 a rep, but we're gonna make it $4 a rep. So she just earned $40 right there, cause she actually went up. I said 400 in the old clip, but she said just put another plate on there. So she went up 50 pounds more than what I had said. So we getting ready for it. Yeah, this super low. Yeah, so we getting ready for the bench. Then we're gonna check in.
What you think?
All right. So we discussing the bench. Man, she a beast. She a beast, man. Y'all gotta go check her Instagram out and stuff. I mean, we've been knowing each other about 7 or 8 years, but I know she get down. But her work ethic, like she ain't dodging a duck and nothing. So the way I do the bench, like I did with wife, I said I give you 3 options. Now, you pretty strong. You damn stronger than the average woman. So, either we can do a straight 100 pounds. You can do a straight 100 pound flat, $1 a rep. $1 a rep. Or you can go 120 pounds and we'll go up $3 a rep. Or you can do the 45 like we just talking about, and we'll do $5 a rep. So it's just based on how you feeling. So you just pick. You can go for the $5 a rep at 135, or you can go the 120 at $3 a rep, or you can go for the 100 at $1 a rep. So basically it's still, huh?
We're just gonna do 135.
She went straight for the big money, the $5. So we about to put a 45 on there, y'all, and she gonna make it happen.
Let's just do it.
Hey man, y'all saw that last rip. Hey, I told you, hey, I take my hat off to her. She get down, man. I salute any woman that go hard in the gym and all that and just ready to tackle this big weight. Like, so, 5 reps. 5 reps, so $25 on this. She did 10 in there, so that was $40. $4 a rep. And then push-ups, she got $50. So $115.
Who wants to go to dinner?
$115. That's crazy. So $115. That's what she got. So we're gonna give her a tip. So here you go. 1,
20,
2,
40,
3,
60,
4,
80,
5,
100,
6.
hey.
So hey, she got it in. She got it in. So look, we're gonna check back in a minute, man. It's crazy. Hey, that's how you fight, man. She pushed that last rep. So look, y'all know. I told you I'm gonna be doing this with Terry. Terry, we got to get her in here and do this too. So we're gonna be doing that with her next. So y'all just stay tuned. We're gonna check back in. All right, y'all. Look, we checking in. So since we had another star pop up, she got to get in the vlog. So y'all know y'all seen what's up. What's
Hey,
up?
what's up, everyone?
So man, it's just crazy how this happened. Y'all go follow her Instagram. It's on the screen right now. I had to turn on, give her a shout out. But y'all remember she rode in the Camaro last time. So this time she got to ride in the Cutlass. So you ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, okay. So y'all go follow her Instagram for real, run up. I just had to throw in the vlog, and I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, we checking back in, man. We back from the gym. Another good video. Like I said, man, we went in, man. We straight worked all day. So we got it in, man. We did the push-up and the bench challenge. I came up with it. I'm gonna keep it going with different people, man. It's a way for people to earn a little money. Like I said, if you my people or whatever, I'm just open for anybody down to take the challenge or whatever. So I got to shout out Sabrina again. Y'all make sure y'all hit her Instagram up and all that. She got some reels and stuff dropping, all that good stuff, man. She about to kick some content out and all of that. So we working on getting her a channel so she can just, really get it going and all that. Y'all know how I do. We trying to just work. Everybody around me working, this and that. So yeah, she did good. She did real good though, man. She did real good, man. She definitely strong. She ain't no joke. So they're two people, man. They're strong. Like these ladies not playing out here now. Y'all know wifey get down and everything. So we done did it with wifey. One did with my fam Sabrina. So Lady Tank coming next. We got to get Lady Tank next, y'all. Then after that, I don't know who I'm gonna do. I'm just anybody. I'm probably gonna get somebody that just don't train at all. I might get a woman that don't train at all and see how they do. Cause my wife, she lift heavy, she trained. Sabrina lift heavy and been training. Y'all know Terry, a bodybuilder, so y'all already know. So we gonna try it with different people, man. I'm gonna start doing it with different people. It's just fun to do. Like it's just a fun video, man. It makes somebody push themselves, and really just get it in and go in and all of that. So it's just something fun to do, man. So that's what today's video was about. All of that. We just working. We working, man. Y'all know I got all the content coming. We got Dolo about to take off this week. I'm hoping this week. I think my converter coming back. Well, it's going to be done, not coming back. I'm going to go pick it up. I think my converter going to be done, so we'll be able to pick that up. And we just working, man. We working the fleet, man. We missing Mr. Jones. I hope I get him back this week. We missing Mr. Jones, but, it's all good, because when he come back, I'm probably not going to drive it. Be honest with y'all, it's too close to March. I'm going to drive it, but I'm going to drive it regular. I probably ain't gonna do no ride wrecks and nothing, schedule them for this month. Unless I got 2 I'm working on. If they fall through, they're gonna be huge. Now, if those fall through, I'm gonna go ahead and do them. But other than that, I'm gonna keep the car ready for the track, man. I got to hit the track. I'm gonna keep it on go for the track and all of that good stuff. And it is what it is. But yeah, that's it, man. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Different content. I hope y'all been enjoying the different flavors or whatever. If you don't, and I say this with all respect, no lie. I'm not just saying I'm to be funny. I'm serious. But if you don't like the different content on this channel, then you just need to unsubscribe and just look at the J Mac 2004 Ride channel. And that's just because, or you can just catch the car content when I do drop it over here. But the reason I said unsubscribe, cause I know how it is. You don't want clutter in your subscription feed if it's stuff you don't look at. Like, I don't subscribe really to people that I don't look at. I just don't. I don't follow people who pictures or videos I don't check out. I don't. So I mean, I ain't saying that trying to be funny. I'm serious. Like, they're for people that they just want to look at car stuff. You know, I understand it. That's what's gonna be on J-Mac 2004 ride. But this right here gonna be a sprinkle of car stuff and my family stuff. And I say family as in my kids and wife and the people around me. So that's what it is. So, yep, that's it. I appreciate y'all. Catch y'all later.